Hi guys! Welcome back to About Wrap. So this video is in collaboration with L'Oréal Paris because galing sa kanila yung mga products that we'll be testing out today. However guys, even though I got these products for free, sasabihin ko pa rin yung aking 100% honest opinions about them para naman makatulong ako not only to my viewers but to the brand as well. So ito guys yung dumating na PR package para sa akin kahapon. Ching! So here guys, we have products from the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Total Cover line. And yes guys, kapag po sinabing L'Oréal Infallible, hindi lang po ito yung L'Oréal Infallible Pro Matte na usong-uso sa mga people with oily skin. Actually, marami pa silang variants at isa nga doon is itong si L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover. And I'm super excited to try them out with you today. And by the way, at the end of this video, I will be hosting a giveaway. So make sure to watch till the end para maka-join ka sis. Okay? So for the L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover line, meron tayong tatlong variations of products. Color Correcting Kit, Concealing and Contour Kit, and finally, itong Total Cover Foundation. So dito muna tayo magsimula guys sa Color Correcting Kit. Judging sa kanyang packaging, I really like it kasi hindi siya glass guys, okay? Plastic siya, so that makes it more convenient. Tapos hindi rin siya makapal. So kasya siya even sa mga maliliit na makeup kits. So ayan, meron tayong 4 na pans ng mga creams. Merong peach, merong yellow, merong green, and purple. Tapos, meron din siyang applicator sponge na nahulog. Okay, so para makita natin kung effective ba itong color correcting kit, itatry natin lahat ng colors. Okay, so start muna tayo sa peach. Sabi, this disguises the dark circles daw. So, first impression, masasabi ko na ang bilis niyang i-apply at mabilis din siya ma-blend. It is very creamy pero hindi siya mabigat. Ilalagay ko na rin siya guys dito sa aking mga ugat-ugat sa eyelids. Wow! So, color corrector pa lang guys, full coverage na siya agad. So, tatakpan ko na rin yung mga dark spots ko caused by acne. Again, so as you can see guys, totally nag-brighten up yung aking dark under eye circles and some of my acne spots. So, itong dilaw, ilalagay ko siya sa mga ugat-ugat ko dito sa aking cheeks. Yung color green at sabi, it neutralizes redness. So, dyan ako mayaman, best. Ang dami kong mga redness. And lastly, guys, is itong number 4, which is yung purple at sabi, it brightens dullness daw. So, ilalagay ko siya dito sa mga areas na sobrang dark ng aking mga acne marks para matakpan talaga sila. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayo sa color correcting palette and so far, so good. Sobrang ganda ng coverage and hindi siya mabigat. Next guys, mag-move on na tayo dito sa kanilang foundation. So meron tayong 303 Nude Beige, 305 Natural Beige, and 307 Sand Beige. Si Nude Beige, very pink undertone. Si Natural Beige, yellow undertone. At neutral naman si Sand Beige. Right, so for this video, I guess ang gagamitin ko ay si 307, which is yung Sand Beige. Kasi napapansin ko na parang meron na akong neutral undertone sa aking face. Now, regarding sa kanyang packaging, I really like it. Plastic tube lang siya. So, it is convenient even for traveling. Lalo na guys, itong tip, very precise talaga siya kapag dinispense mo. As in, makokontrol mo yung product. Now, for the consistency, ganyan siya. Parang mousse type. And for our application today, gagamit ako ng buffing foundation brush on the left side of my face or sa right side ng screens mo. And on my right side naman, gagamit ako ng damp sponge. Dito muna tayo sa side kung saan gagamit tayo ng brush. By the way guys, meron lamang siyang 3 simple claims. Full coverage daw siya, lightweight daw siya, and could last up to 24 hours. So guys, ngayon na ina-apply ko siya using the brush, nafe-feel ko na meron siyang cooling effect and definitely full coverage talaga siya. Nabe-blur out din niya yung pores. I could also feel na very lightweight siya. Tapos may cooling effect pa, so mas presko sa feeling. Alright, now dito naman tayo sa right side of my face. Magdadot lang ako ng same amount as before. But this time, we'll blend it using a damp sponge. kitang-kita natin yung difference guys kapag gumamit tayo ng brush and ng sponge. So definitely, mas full yung coverage kapag brush yung ginamit. Kasi ayan, nakikita ko pa yung aking discolorations here and also on my under eye circle. Pero guys, I could tell you this. Parang mas bet ko nga yung side na ito kasi mas mukhang natural yung kanyang itsura. Don't get me wrong, okay din naman yung side na to. Pero halatang halata mong meron kang foundation. Lagyan din natin yung ating leeg. And actually, feeling ko hindi siya nakakairita sa leeg kasi hindi malagkit. Actually, parang hindi ko na nga kailangan mag-set ng powder. Okay guys, last para sa ating total cover line ay itong concealing and contour kit. So ayan, just like the color correcting palette, meron din siyang 4 na creams. So gagamitin ko lang yung lightest shade bilang pang-conceal at pang-highlight na rin sa mga high points of my face. And okay guys, masasabi ko naman na full coverage talaga siya. Pero medyo mahirap makuha yung product. I think it's because of the consistency. Definitely mas creamier itong color correcting palette as compared dito sa concealing and contouring one. Now, gamitin naman natin itong darkest shade bilang ating pang contour. And ngayon pa lang, medyo nakakatakot siya kasi mapula yung pagka-brown. Pero yung kanyang consistency is actually mas creamy compared to the highlighting shade. And oh no, ayan na nga ba yung sinasabi ko. Hindi siya maganda tignan kasi mapula siya. So okay guys, ito na po yung aking highlighted and contoured face. And I could say guys na once applied and blended, meron siyang kalagkitan. So kung kanina feeling ko hindi ko kailangan mag-set ng powder, ngayon kailangan natin yan. So wala pala akong L'Oréal na powder. So ito na lang yung gagamitin ko, the Maybelline Fit Me na powder. Since sister company naman sila, diba? So ayan guys, tatapusin ko lang po yung makeup ko for a little while. Then babalikan ko kayo to update you kung may nagbago ba. Hi guys, I'm back and ito na po yung aking makeup today. However, ang masasabi ko, sobrang mag-crease ang mga products dito sa aking wrinkles, dito sa fine lines ko on my under eye, and also, boom, on my eyelids. Can you see that guys? So maybe yung reason kung bakit grabe sila mag-settle dyan sa mga folds sa aking mata is because masyadong marami na yung mga products na nalagay natin kanina. So take that into consideration. Ingat-ingat sa paggamit ng mga products from this total cover line. And by the way, time right now is 10:13 in the morning. So ayan, magbabalik ako later for the makeup check, final verdict, and the giveaway details. Hi guys, I'm back and right now is 8:24 in the evening. So more or less 10 hours na po itong mga L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover products sa ating face. And in a span of 10 hours, hindi po ako nag-retouch, hindi ko pinunasan yung aking face ng tissue, blotting paper, or anything. Pero nagpagupit ako kaya medyo iba yung aking itsura. And even though hindi na po ganun kasing fresh yung ating mukha as compared to when we first applied the products, I could say na okay pa rin naman yung aking itsura. Actually, dito lang ako sa ilong shiny at hindi on other areas. At feeling ko, hindi ko kailangan mag-blot. Alright guys, mag-move on na tayo. Iisa-isahin ko bawat isang product na tinesting natin at sasabihin ko yung mga pros and cons na napansin ko throughout the day. Dito muna tayo sa L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover Pro Color Correcting Set. Pro number 1, definitely nagagawa niya kung ano yung sinasabi niya. Nako-correct niya yung mga discolorations ko and blemishes. Number 2, yung kanyang formula is very, very good. A little goes a long way. Tapos, very, very blendable pa siya. Especially itong color purple. I am so amazed kasi sobrang natakpan niya itong stubborn acne marks ko on this area. And then number 3, yung favorite thing ko about this is even though matatag, matibay, at mataas ang kanyang coverage, hindi halata sa feeling. Okay? Hindi siya mabigat at all. Now, for the consequence, isa lang po ang naiisip ko. At yun ay yung feeling ko hindi ito compatible dun sa foundation na kasama niya. Kasi nung naghalo silang dalawa sa aking eye area, ayan, kitang-kita guys na sobrang lala ng pagsesettle nila. Pati dito sa eyelid ko, grabe silang mamuo kapag nagsama ni foundation. Now, dito naman tayo sa L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. So, number 1, definitely tama yung sinasabi niya na full coverage siya. plakado yung kanyang coverage, pero at the same time, you can definitely control it pa. Kung gusto mo na sobrang malamanika talaga yung skin mo, then blend it using a buffing brush. Pero kung gusto mo naman na medyo pabebe, then gumamit ka ng damp blending sponge. Number 2, okay na okay yung feeling niya sa skin, especially kapag kinonsider natin na full coverage nga siya. Kasi when you first applied it, meron siyang cooling effect. So that's good. I like that. Tapos, kapag nag-set pa siya, meron siyang soft matte finish na as in walang bahid ng kabigatan at kalagkitan. Number 3, oil control is very nice. Like I said kanina, parang hindi ko pa kailangan mag-blot and partida, 10 hours na po ang nakalipas, pero consistent na magaan lahat ng products sa aking mukha. And then number 4, ang ganda ng effect niya guys sa aking mga pores and even sa aking dry patches. As in, na-blur out niya lahat ng yan upon application at hanggang ngayon. Now, for the consequence, actually guys, tingin ko, okay din naman siya when it comes to wrinkles. Kasi meron ako ditong worry line na usually nagsisettle talaga yung mga foundations ko around this area. Pero ito, hindi siya nagsettle and actually parang na-minimize pa nga niya yung appearance. However, dito sa aking eye area kung saan gumamit nga tayo nitong foundation at nung color correcting set, ayan na, OA naman yung pagsisettle na naganap. So ayun, kagaya nung color correcting set, ang consequence ko for this is hindi sila compatible. And then lastly guys, ay itong L'Oréal Infallible na Total Cover, Conceal, and Contour Kit. So pro number 1, it is long lasting. I can still see yung mga concealer natin at yung pinang-contour natin. Number 2, very convenient siya. Ang dami niyang kulay. Tapos, travel-friendly pa yung kanyang packaging kasi manipis at saka hindi babasagin. Pero, for the consequences, hindi consistent yung kanyang consistency. Tama ba yun? Basta, yung iba kasi sobrang creamy katulad nitong darkest shade. As in, ang creamy niya at madali siyang i-blend. Pero itong lightest shade, medyo matigas yung kanyang formulation at kailangan mo talagang lagyan ng effort para ma-blend. Consequence number 2, hindi ko gusto itong shade na to kasi ang pula niya, okay? I think this could pass off as blush at hindi pang contour. Ayan o, ang pula niya at parang blush talaga yung kulay niya. And then consequence number 3, among all of the products, ito yung parang merong weight, okay? Kasi yung dalawa kanina, sobrang weightless nila and at the same time, full coverage pa. Ito naman, full coverage nga, pero may konting bigat at konting lagkit. So there you have it guys. Ayan yung aking mga masasabi about these products. All in all, okay naman silang lahat, especially kapag individually mo silang ginamit. At yan yung suggestion ko sa inyo guys. In order for you to really appreciate each of these products, gamitin nyo sila individually. Huwag nyong pagpapatungin or ipag-mix. Kasi ayan, meron silang tendency na mag-cake. Anyway guys, move on na tayo sa ating pag-giveaway. So magkakaroon tayo ng 3 winners ng mga L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover products. Specifically, isang concealing and contour kit at saka isang tube ng L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. So all you have to do guys is of course be subscribed to my channel about craft. Number 2, you have to follow me on Instagram. Ang username ko po ay @rafonsu. Number 3, meron akong pinost na picture sa aking Instagram account. Ayan po yung itsura. And all you have to do is to repost that on your profile. And sa caption ng post mo, ilagay mo yung reason as to why you would like to try out itong mga L'Oréal Infallible Total Cover na products. Tapos, don't forget to include the official hashtag na #GotItCovered. So, ayan lang guys, yung deadline ng entries natin ay hanggang February 6, 2018. So, very mabilis lang. Almost a week lang itong promo natin na ito. Kaya join na kayo, okay? So, there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do support me by joining in the small giveaway. It's a wrap and I will see you guys soon. Mwah!
The sky is all violet, and if I'm taking shotgun, let me ride it with you.